Welcome back, guys. Today I'm doing something a little different. This is going to be a video of me trying to find out where I can get a Type R for MSRP. I live in Roseville, California, so I went to cargurus.com. I set a 500-mile search radius. So I'm going to click on advertisements for 2019 Type Rs. I'm going to call the dealerships, and I'm going to try to figure out who's selling at MSRP. First dealership we're going to try is in Valencia, California. Autonation Honda Valencia. Let's give them a call. I'm going to try to be as nice as possible.
This call may be monitored or recorded for quality purposes. Good afternoon. Thanks for calling Autonation Honda Valencia. My name is Casey. What is the pleasure speaking with today?
Hi, my name's Cameron.
Hi, Cameron. What can I help you out with today?
So I'm looking for a Type R.
Were you looking at our website, or are you just looking for one in general?
Yeah, well, no. So I'm looking for a 2020 specifically, and I see that you guys have an ad up for 2019 for sale. And it has it listed for $36,620. Is that correct?
It's MSRP plus accessories. So I know our website's a little bit different. We can't add accessories to our website, but it is MSRP plus accessories.
Okay, so what's the final price?
Let me run out to it. Hold on.
I put it on mute. Yeah, I'm not going to buy a Type R with accessories. If I get one, it's going to be like bare bones, nothing added to it. Because obviously, I have a YouTube channel, and I'm going to add, accessories myself for content, so I'm not...
Okay, so including the accessories, the selling price would be $43,471.
Okay, is that included... Is there a markup included in there?
It's accessories. We have about $6,200 worth of accessories.
Okay. Do you guys have a 2020 Type R coming in?
Let me double check. I do not believe so as of yet. So we're expecting a 2020 to arrive at the end of April.
Okay, and what...
They're still checking parts in.
Okay, and what color is it going to be?
It looks like it's going to be, I believe it's the Sonic Gray.
Okay. Would it be possible to order a black 2020 Type R from you guys with no accessories?
So Honda doesn't allow us to order cars. It's just what we're allocated. So we can't pick and choose colors. It's really just what they give us.
Oh, really? I didn't know that. Okay.
Yeah. So
wow.
Usually what we have in stock is what they'll let us have.
Okay. Okay. So I will give you a call back if I want to further that whole thing. Bye-bye. I'm kind of awkward over the phone, but okay. So Autonation Honda Valencia, they're selling at MSRP, but they added $6,000 of accessories. So that seems pretty slimy to me. I asked her if I could order a 2020 black Type R with no accessories. She said I'm not allowed to order, but she didn't comment on whether or not I could get one without accessories. So that would obviously be a deal breaker. If I purchase the 2020 R, it's going to be MSRP, period. Nothing else. Sorry, but they are on the no-no list for now. Moving on. So this is Buena Park Honda in Buena Park, California. It's down by LA. So they have it listed for $37,230. I'm gonna give them a call and see. I bet they're gonna be dicks.
Thank you for calling Buena Park Honda. My name is Francis. How may I assist you?
Hey, how's it going? So I'm interested in a 2020 Civic Type R.
Mm-hmm.
I was wondering if you guys have any on the way.
I don't have a 2020. There's no 2020 yet. I don't know. I only have a 2019. And what I have the last one that we have would be the blue color, sir.
Okay. So you don't have any 2020s that are en route, because a lot of dealerships are having them on the way right now.
No, none as of this moment. If you want, with your permission, I could take your name and email address, and I'll be most happy to inform you, when those come. Is that okay?
Well, I need to make sure. I need to know what you guys are selling them for first.
Of course, that's not a problem right now. Let me put it this way: the last Type R that we sold, I think we sold it almost MSRP, 1,000 above MSRP, something like that.
Okay, you sold it.
Being honest with you.
Okay, so you think you sold it 1,000 over MSRP?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
1,000, yeah. And what's your email address, sir?
Well, one second. Did you guys also put a bunch of like accessories on it, or was it just?
No.
Oh, really?
No, we did not.
Okay.
No, we did not.
Well, that's not bad at all.
The reason why I'm able to say this to you is I'm the one who sold it.
Okay.
You know, our dealership is different from other dealerships just because we do not work on percentage. It's just it's a unit out for us.
Okay.
At that time, we used to have, let me tell you my inventory at the time. I used to have 4 of them right there, so we're just very eager to just please take my car already. You know, I have 2 white ones. One, the one that I sold was the gray color.
Okay.
And then the blue one. What's your email address, sir?
Email address is Cameron, so CAMERON Hill, HILL, the letter A.
What's your last name?
Yep, my last name's Hill. And then, so the email is cameron.hilla@gmail.com.
All right, I'll definitely keep you in mind. You know, if there's, if I, you know, because I don't know the inventory coming in, I'll double check it right now, and I'll be most happy to give you a call. What about the blue one? Are you more interested? You know, don't you want to take my car, the blue one?
No, I need the 2020 because I have a YouTube channel, and I need like the new thing, you know. Awesome. Thank you very much, Francis. Have a good one.
You're welcome, sir. All right, bye-bye.
Bye. Okay, so what do you guys think about that? Francis told me that he sold a 2019 Sonic Gray Type R for about 1,000 over MSRP. So I don't know if his memory serves him correctly, but that sounds like something I could work with. Like I said, I'm like 99.9% set on like I'm buying this car at MSRP because I think the markup is just obnoxious. I think it's absolutely obnoxious. You know what I think I'm gonna do? I think I called 2 dealerships in California. Now I'm gonna try a dealership in Oregon, maybe Washington. Let's see what we can find here. All right, let's call Marysville, Washington. It's Honda of Marysville. Holy cow.
Department, please press 1.
Hey, it's my Marysville. This is Trevor. How may I best serve you today?
How's it going, Trevor? My name's Cameron. I'm looking for a 2020 Civic Type R.
A Civic Type R?
I'm looking for a 2020 Civic Type R.
Okay. Can you hear us? I'm going to get you over to sales, okay?
Awesome, thanks.
Yeah, hang on.
Didn't I click the sales button? Who is this guy?
Good afternoon, this is Chris in sales. How can I best serve you?
Hi, my name's Cameron. I'm looking for a 2020 Civic Type R.
Oh, yeah, we do have one coming in. I don't know off the top of my head on the exact ETA, but it would be able to purchase before he gets here. 05, what was your name, sir?
Name's Cameron. And before you go ahead and call me back, what price are you selling Type Rs at?
There will be a market adjustment on it. I'm not sure what's going up for 2020.
Okay.
I don't know. Nationally, it's about 6,700. I'm sure that's what you've seen.
Yeah, I'm all set.
It won't be MSRP.
Okay.
Even the pre-owned ones have a wholesale book up MSRP.
Yeah. Well, that's too bad.
So okay.
All right. Have a good one.
Yep.
These people are idiots. These people are idiots. Oh my god, that frustrates me. That makes me so fucking mad. I'm seriously gonna have to call these dealerships one by one. Let's try calling Bob Lanfear's Beaverton Honda in Oregon.
Beaverton Honda Sales Department, this is Robert speaking. How may I help you?
Hey Robert, this is Cameron. I'm looking for a 2020 Civic Type R. What are you guys selling them at?
Generally, I believe it's 4,000 over MSRP.
Okay. They don't seem to understand. Like he was like, he took a second when I said, okay, have a nice day, like he wanted the conversation to continue. Do these people not realize, I know it's not the salesman who decide what the markup is. I know it's not the salesman. But can't be surprised when someone doesn't want to continue the phone conversation because you tell them that you have a $4,000 markup on a Honda Civic Type R. Yeah, it's the Type R, I know, but it's a Honda Civic. For fuck's sakes, man. Oh, that is no good, man, no good. Let's try Honda of El Cajon. Do you think it'd be rude if I straight up just asked what the price is first before I even like... I don't know.
Hello, this is Mike speaking. How can I help you? Type R?
Yes.
Right now they're not available, but I do have my final 2019 one here. And just to let you know, the 2020 is going to be even more on the markup. They're looking at a 52 to 55,000 for the 2020. Okay, do you want, just ask for me on the...
Oh, sorry, Mike. That's a big hang up for you. You want to sell a Type R for $52,000 to $55,000? No, Mike, no.
Cameron, no.
Okay, that's all I'm gonna do for this video. Let me know if you guys like that. I know some of the conversations were kind of boring to listen to. Next video, I'm going
Cameron.
to... Well, okay, I'll cut that part out. I'm going to compile an entire list. I'm gonna have it running in my descriptions of the like the no-no list of for the dealership. So anyway, part 2 is gonna be, I'm gonna hit a lot more dealerships. I'm gonna call a lot more places. I'll try to do like 9 or 10 and squeeze it into a 10-minute time frame. So let me know if you guys like that. I'm already doing a part 2 anyway, so yeah. Thanks for watching, guys.